Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 21 June 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze the current affairs of 21 June. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. First question was, which country will host 4th Asian Youth Para Games 2021? The correct answer here is option A, Bahrain. In Bahrain, 4th Asian Youth Para Games 2021 will be host. Okay, the Asian Paralympic Committee has announced that the fourth edition of Asian Youth Para Games to be held in the Bahrain in December 2021. Okay, the capital of Bahrain is Manama. Manama is the capital of Bahrain, and King of Bahrain is Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, and currency is Bahraini dinar. Bahraini dinar is the currency of Bahrain. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Our second question was, which state has launched digital course material? Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Bihar, Odisha. The correct answer here is option B, Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat is correct here. The Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani has launched digital course material for more than 1 lakh students to engage in the professional ITI course. Engage in the professional ITI course. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's session. This is our first question of the today's session. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassadors of GSW Cement? Saurabh Ganguly, Sunil Chetri, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, both A and B. Okay, BCCI President Saurabh Ganguly and captain of Indian football team Sunil Chetri has become the ambassador of GSW Cement. Okay, GSW Cement, the ambassador is both Saurabh Ganguly and Sunil Chetri. Okay, the BCCI president is Saurabh Ganguly and the Indian football team captain is Sunil Chetri. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has launched Satyabhama portal in June 2020? Ravi Shankar Prasad, Prahlad Joshi, Rajnath Singh, D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Prahlad Joshi. Recently, Prahlad Joshi, Union Minister for Coal Mines and Parliamentary Affairs, has launched Satyabhama portal. Okay, the abbreviation of the Satyabhama, listen carefully. Science and Technology Yojana for Atmanirbhar Bharat in Mining Advancement. Okay, I repeat, Science and Technology Yojana for Atmanirbhar Bharat in Mining and Advancement is the abbreviation of the Satyabhama portal. Okay, the portal has been designed, developed, and implemented by National Informatic Center (NIC). NIC. Okay, the portal has been designed, developed, and implemented by National Informative Center (NIC) Mines Informatic Division. Okay, launched by Prahlad Joshi, our Union Minister for Coal Mines and Parliamentary Affairs. Next question. Which state government has completely banned on online classes for pre-primary and primary classes? Karnataka, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, D, Uttarakhand. The correct answer here is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government completely banned online classes for pre-primary and primary classes. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. And some days ago, Karnataka government also banned the online classes for pre-primary students. And recently, Madhya Pradesh government banned online classes for pre-primary and primary classes. Okay, so Madhya Pradesh is in news. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Lalji Tandon is the Governor of Madhya Pradesh. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has been appointed as the President of BMW Group India effective 1st August 2020? Vikram Power, Jim Hackett, Donald Peterson, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Vikram Power. Option A is the correct here. Who has been appointed as the President of BMW Group? President of BMW Group India is now Vikram Power. Okay. his power, Vikram Pava, in his previous role, served as the president of India operation between 2017 and 18. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. The government has decided to establish how many Khelo India centers across the country? 500, 1000, 1200, 700. The correct answer here is option B, 1000. 1000. The government has decided to establish 1000 Khelo India centers, KIC, in a short form. We know that KIC, okay, at the district level across the country. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. Tata Power's wholly owned arm has bagged a contract to develop a 100 megawatt solar project in which state? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer here is option A, Maharashtra. Okay. Tata Power Renewable Energy Limited has received a letter of award from Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Corporation Limited for this project. And as per you know, the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray is the Chief Minister here, and Bhagat Singh Koshiyari is the Governor of Maharashtra. Next question. Question number 7. The Telangana government has launched which of the following mobile application? Insta Weather, TS Weather, QS Weather, Quick Weather. The correct answer here is option B, TS Weather. The Telangana government has launched a mobile application named TS Weather that enables the people to access information about weather condition. Okay, and it is very much helpful for farmer for their agricultural activities. Okay, next question. The PDC T20 League in Sri Lanka will be start from June 25. It will be played in how many days? For how many days? 12, 10, 15, 20. The correct answer here is option A, 12. Okay, cricket in Sri Lanka is all set to resume in the post COVID-19 world. It will be held at the World Heritage Site of Anuradhapura in Sri Lanka. Okay, as per you know, the capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardhanepuram Kotte. Jayawardhanepuram Kotte is the administrative capital, and Colombo is the commercial capital. Colombo is the commercial capital. Next question. Question number 9. Napoli has won its 6th Italian Cup with which of the following football club? Barcelona, Real Madrid, Juventus, none of these. The correct answer here is Juventus. Option C is correct here. Okay, Napoli has won 6th Italian Cup following a 0-0 draw with Juventus. Next question. This is our last question of the today's session. According to BP Statistical Review, what is the rank of India in terms of growth driver of energy consumption? 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer here is option B, second. Okay, option B is correct here. Second, India was second biggest growth driver of primary energy consumption in the world. First is China. After that, second position is got by India. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. First question is Air Venti app is launched in which city? Second question is KP Sachidanandan passed away. He was related to which field? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby we will discuss the answer in our next session. Okay.